MLA Formatting, the Basics, a vidcast brought to you by Beth Jones and Gina Hurley in cooperation with the Purdue Online Writing Lab. This vidcast takes you through how to format a paper following MLA guidelines from the MLA Handbook 7th edition. Your instructor may have different guidelines for you to follow. Always follow your instructor's guidelines. Getting started. Begin by opening up your word processor program. For this demonstration, we'll use Microsoft Word 2007. Choose a legible font such as Times New Roman. Whatever font you choose, MLA recommends that the regular and italics type styles contrast enough that they are recognizable from each other. The font size should be 12 point. Spacing and margins. Make sure your line spacing is set to double space. To do this, open up the paragraph menu in Microsoft Word. Change the default line spacing setting from after 10 point to 0 point. Then change line spacing from multiple to double. Leave only one space after periods or other punctuation marks unless otherwise instructed by your teacher. Set the margins of your document to 1 inch on all sides. Indent the first line of all paragraphs 1/2 inch from the margin. MLA recommends that you use the Tab key as opposed to pushing the spacebar button 5 times. Creating your header. A header should have your last name and number of the page in the upper right-hand corner 1/2 inch from the top and flush with the right margin. An extra note, your instructor may ask that you omit the number on your first page. Again, always follow your instructor's guidelines. To create a header, select the Insert menu in Microsoft Word and click Page Number. In the drop-down menu, select the Right Justified option and type your last name before the page number. Make sure that you use 12-point font, the same font you're using in the body text, such as Times New Roman. Creating your heading and title. In the upper left-hand corner of the first page, list your name, your instructor's name, the course, and the date. In MLA format, you write the date in this order: day, month, and year. Double space and center the title. Do not underline, italicize, or place your title in quotation marks. Write the title in title case, standard capitalization, not in all capital letters. Double space between the title and the first line of the text. Some final notes. Make sure you print your finished document on white 8.5 by 11 inch paper. If you're using a word processor other than Microsoft 2007, search YouTube using the name of the processor you're using plus MLA formatting to learn how to format your paper according to MLA style. Also, you can find us online at al.english.purdue.edu/al. This has been a presentation of MLA Formatting, the Basics, a vidcast by Beth Jones and Gina Hurley brought to you in cooperation with the Purdue Online Writing Lab.